The way we enjoy coffee has evolved over time, from a commodity through to an artisan appreciation. The ultimate taste experience is third wave specialty coffee. Once you try it, you'll never compromise on taste again. Made possible by the 4 Keys formula. Experience third wave specialty coffee at home with Breville.
Imagine making premium cocktails at the touch of a button. Introducing Bartesian. From the comfort of your own home, you can enjoy quality ingredients and the premium pours you'd expect from a cocktail lounge. Simply insert the capsule, select your strength, and enjoy. No mess, no fuss. Just the perfect cocktail prepared in 3 simple steps. Bartesian.
I got my Ecobee yesterday. Smartest choice I ever made.
Welcome to the neighborhood. Come here.
They act like Ecobee was their idea.
Yeah, I'm CEO of this house.
Chief Ecobee Officer.
Ooh, I like
Yeah,
that.
thank you.
Get yourself a smarter home.